Phillips Treble, Senior Market Strategist at R.J.O. Futures, giving you a weekly metals commentary here for Thursday, May 14th. Looking at the metals, they're pretty strong here this morning. We've got gold prices. An old resistance level was this 1220 to 1225 area. We came up to it. This is just several times over the past 6 months, and the market had failed and started to turn back down from there. Some of the headwinds that it faced was when we would come up to that region, we would see economic data here that would be very supportive for stocks, very supportive for higher interest rates, and that's what would put pressure on the gold. But it looks like gold got lucky with the scheduling here of some of the economic data, because non-farm payroll was last week, and we already had retail sales come out here. When the retail sales came out yesterday, we saw gold prices get a massive extension up. They went from about $11.92 on up to about $12.04. They were up like $20. And that was because of the fact that people had considered this retail sales number. It was poor 3 months in a row. We had a fourth month where they thought that it would see a turnaround from here. We didn't see that. We saw weaker data, so there was a rush into the gold market here. The dollar index had sold off pretty hard. The euro currency had broke through to some levels not seen in quite a while. We pushed through 113 yesterday, now 114 this morning, and that's holding gold prices up near that 1225 area. If you look at some of the recent data on silver, we saw JP Morgan make a massive play on silver. This was about 3-4 weeks ago. Over a 5-day period, they took a delivery of over 5 million ounces of silver. It's quite a bit, in my opinion, coming out of the exchanges. So there is some interest in silver on the physical side of things. If you look at the futures contract, same deal as gold. It would come up over this like $17, $17.25 level and start to fail from here. Today we're seeing a breakthrough to the upside. We're at $17.50, $17.54. This is about midway through the session here, about 10 a.m. So we got 2 more hours of trading left in the day, so no telling where it's going to go, but you want to check the prices towards the close. A lot of people only trade off of close-only data. Those are your swing traders and your longer-term position traders, and they make the decisions from there. They don't like to trade off the market noise during the day and the small fluctuations. So as far as economic data coming out the rest of the week, not too much here. We only have 1 more day. We're probably not going to see really anything, just a little bit of inflation data, but it's been pretty muted. And then on metals, start looking at some of those options. There's going to be a lot of interest in them, I think, with the volatility picking up and prices pushing on to a new price band. Again, if you have any questions, give me a call, 800-438-4805. And good luck, good trading. Options on futures may involve substantial risk of loss and may not be suitable for all investors.